If you use Gmail and you have a lot of unwanted emails, I'm going to show you a way in this video to get rid of a bunch of them all at once. I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour, and let me show you how. So this is the Gmail inbox of a test account of mine for Alice Apple. First, I want to show you around a little bit, and then I'm going to show you how we can delete in bulk. This is her inbox. Notice that under the primary tab, there are 380 messages. Under the promotions tab, there are 560 messages. Under the social tab, there are none. Yours might look different. Let me show you how that could be. If I go into Settings and Inbox Type and Customize, I can say I don't need a special tab for social. I don't need one for promotions. Just put everything in one inbox. Now that's what I have. Those tabs no longer exist, and it tells me I have 940 messages. The most recent one is from 1:50 p.m. today. If I click by the numbers, I can have it sorted by oldest first and see that this inbox has messages going back to 2021. I'm going to go back to newest. So now let's delete some. In my opinion, if I haven't opened an email and it's more than 2 months old, it's got to be garbage. If I haven't even opened it, it's not important. I can get rid of it. So I'm going to search. Search is your friend. I'm going to search for all emails older than 2 months that are unopened. So let's notice that I have 940 emails in this inbox. The way to search and specify things like unopened or older than 2 months is with these search options. I click there, and first I specify all mail. Now I can also specify, if I kept that social and the forums or the promotions, I could specify only delete them. But no, I want to look through all mail, but I only want to find unread, meaning I have not even opened it. That means it's garbage. So I'm going to search for unread. And then dates. Now, I find the way they do these dates a bit confusing, but I think I can explain. So let's say within 2 months of today, and I will click search. Now, what I do understand is how it's specified here, after this date and before that date. This is not at all what I wanted. I wanted it to be after even just 2020. I want all emails from the beginning, but that only go up to 2 months ago. Today is June 25, so I want it to be April. So that is saying, show me all emails that are unread if they arrived after 2020, April 24, and before 2023, April 25. Okay, I want all search results. And it says this is 1 to 50, it just puts 50 per page of many. I want to select them all. Now it says all 50 conversations on this page are selected. Click here to select all conversations that match this search. If I do that, then there will be hundreds selected. And now with all conversations from the search selected, I can click delete. Confirm bulk action. This action will affect all conversations in the search. Are you sure? Yes, that's exactly what I want to do. And it's working on it. Now the search has no messages. If I go back to inbox, I have a grand total of 44 messages left after deleting all unopened that are over 2 months old. That's a way to bulk delete and clean out your inbox.